Okay. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know when I was disconnected. Okay. Okay. We are here in the elective coordination. After the sometimes now we will again connect. Okay. If I will just again disconnected, then I will again inform you in the WhatsApp. Then we will again connect. Now next part is that the elective coordination. In this case, one clause expresses the cause and the other the effect of that cause. The chief relative conjunction, please remember this one. This example, the chief relative conjunction, please remember this thing. Are therefore, wherefore, consequently, hence, accordingly, for, since, in, as much as. It was rained heavily, therefore the streets were flooded. If I say it was rained heavily, therefore the streets were dry. Does this have any meaning, any sentence? No. They will have no meaning and no sentence. So there will be a sense in the sentences formation. It's in sentence formation. Okay. Now, if I will say again, he was a reliable man, consequently all trusted him. If I say he was a gambler, consequently all trusted him, there is no sense. He will die someday, for all men are mortal. I will say, I will not die. I will not die as I am immortal. Can such thing be happened? We all have to die one. He is ill, so he cannot attend the meeting. He is well, so he cannot attend the meeting. I can't say like this. So there is one clause that yeah.
What is the meaning of wherefore?
What is the meaning of
Wherefore?
wherefore? Therefore का meaning first tell me what is the meaning of therefore?
Ma'am, there wherefore where?
No, you tell me the meaning of therefore. You tell me the meaning.
Oh, ma'am, क्योंकि.
क्यों? और wherefore का meaning होता है आपका कि कारण.
Almost same meaning.
Okay, if I will say he is ill, so he cannot attend the meeting. अब wherefore का हम लोग use कहाँ कर सकते हैं? कभी देखे what for? For what for you have come here? हम लोग पूछते हैं. Do we ask? Yes. Same meaning is of wherefore. Okay. क्या? क्या? Therefore का meaning क्या? What is the meaning of therefore? Maths also use therefore. Therefore it is proof. मतलब इसलिए ये proof हो गया. Okay. Next part. Combination of two or more simple sentences into one simple sentences. See, wherefore का use, therefore का use. Therefore मतलब हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Simple things. Consequently, what is the meaning of consequently? Can you say what is the meaning of consequently? Hence. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना hence. What is the meaning of consequently? Can anyone say me?
Result.
Huh? Result. Yes.
Result.
Yes. Result.
And conclusions.
Conclusion I can't say. Consequently is not a conclusion. Conclusion is something different. Can we say consequently If I say some sentence, consequently sentences, if I say, in that place, can I say conclusion? The conclusion is this? No, I can't say this conclusion. If you will work hard, consequently, you will get high paid salaries. Can I say conclusively you will get a high paid salaries? No. Means as a result, the result. What the result? That is consequently. And this word is also subsequently. Consequently and subsequently. Can you say what is the meaning of subsequently? Can you say? Shishir graduated from Chaivasa Engineering College and subsequently got a job in TCS.
Later on.
Yes. Subsequently, consequently. Subsequently means later on, मतलब बाद में. Without completing his graduation, he cannot get that job. After completing his job, उसके बाद. Okay. Next part. Combination of two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence. Now, next one. He failed in the examination, he gave up his studies. Having failed in the examination, he gave up his studies. What is the difference? What do you mean by using a participle? What is this participle? Participle. What is the meaning of participle? Can you say me? What is the meaning of this participle? See, ing form, you know. Ing form.
Different verb forms
Yeah. Leap for.
like present participle, past participle.
Yes. Participle is means what I can say, descriptive type of words. They're descriptive form of adjective. है ना? Means generally what we see that when a participle is there, we end with that sentence ing, ed. Okay. Means often you will see that ing form is there and ed form is there. Okay. Okay, I am saying you people one more thing, that after 1 minute, I will again be disconnected. Okay, so again you have to join in the same link. See, the sentence is there, he failed in the examination, he gave up his studies. Having failed in the examination, he gave up his studies. He was tired of play, he sat down to rest. Being tired of play, he sat down to rest. He had his dinner, he began to do his homework. Having had, this is right. Having had, can anyone say me, having and had, this is right? Or it will be having his dinner, he began to do his homework. What it will be? Is it
only
right?
having his dinners?
Yes, having his dinner. This is wrong. Okay?
Wrong.
Yes. For you people, I have only left this one. The baby was hungry. The baby cried for milk. The baby being hungry cried for milk. See, here is a full stop. Here is comma. The policeman ran after the thief. He caught him. Running after the thief, the policeman caught him. By using